In the hands of the right creator, AI is a tool, not a rival. It's going to help creators take the obstacles that they face and turn them into innovations with every single piece of content that they create. And I would know because I might not have the resources right now to hire an editor or to hire a mentor, so I have to find ways to do more with less. And AI has been one of the main keys to helping me do that. I know that making content on your own can be tough, so I want to share with you guys some of the things that I've been learning that have helped me. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that can help you make actual good content with AI. So first, you have to stop thinking about AI as a doomsday Terminator type of AI. You have to start thinking about it as a Jarvis type of AI. It's going to be an AI companion that helps you cut out all the unnecessary work and focus on the parts of content creation that you actually enjoy. But my question to you is, are you using it to enhance your creativity, or are you depending on it too much and making low quality content with it? Are you fully embracing AI with your content, or are you letting the opinions of other people let it stop you from taking your content to new levels? And I know what you're thinking. I'm not going to show you how to make bad AI generated content where it's just AI voiceovers, AI pictures for every second of the video, and bad AI thumbnails. That is not how you're going to win, because nobody wants to see those videos. So I'm going to show you how to make actual good content with AI to enhance your creativity and make content easier and faster. So the first method that you could use is to use AI to generate you tags and descriptions. I don't know about you, but I don't think your viewers are going to care much if your description and tags are generated with AI. All this is doing is telling the algorithm who to push your video towards. So what you can do is grab your script of your video, put it into ChatGPT, and ask for 5 different versions of descriptions, and then pick whichever one you think is best. You could also make a couple edits to it and then do the same thing with tags, and you'll be good to go. And like I said, this is going to save you time not having to think about a whole description for your videos and a whole bunch of different tags every time you upload a video. And this is going to allow you to focus on the things that you want to actually do in your content. So the second method that you can do is to use ChatGPT to generate you titles. And now right now, AI is not good enough to generate you perfect titles. It's not going to know a good title from a bad title, but you will. So what you're going to do is go into ChatGPT, insert your script, and ask it for 10 different titles. You're going to look through each of those titles and pick the one that stands out to you most. You can ask it to elaborate and give you some more based off of that one title, or you can ask it to generate 10 completely different titles. And the thing that you're trying to do with it is not ask it to be creative for you, but ask it to generate ideas and then use your creativity to come up with a better idea from that. And this is especially good if you're a new YouTuber, because you probably don't know what titles are actually good. So if you're new, it's not going to be worth it to spend all these hours generating a title just for your video to flop. You need to try to test out as many titles as you can, and then eventually you'll understand what works based on how each of them performs. And the last method is to use it to rough edit your videos for you. So like I said before, you're not using AI to be super creative for you. So editors, you're not going to lose your job. It's just going to help you eliminate the tedious rough cutting part of every video you make. You can use a tool like Firecut that helps you eliminate all of the silences that you have in an instant. And this is super important because it allows you to focus on the parts of editing that actually require creativity. It does not take creativity to do all these rough cuts. It's the boring part that nobody wants to do. So if you eliminate that, all of a sudden you get to try out all these different effects and do the things that you actually want to do when you edit. And if you just don't like editing, then just do the rough cuts and then upload the video and focus on the parts of content that you love. And these are just a few of the ways that you can use, but I'm going to continue to find new ways for you guys to help you, because I know how hard it is to do it on your own. Some people will continue to dismiss AI until it's part of our everyday life. Even Gary Vee has said that because of AI, there's going to be a lot of quantity of content, but because of that, the quality content is going to win out. So that's what you need to focus on. Don't focus on AI to make the quality content, because it cannot do that. You have to use it to do the tedious task, and then you focus on adding the quality on top of that, because that quality content is going to win out. You might have every reason not to commit. You're not creative enough, or you just don't have enough time. But the great part about it is now is your time to commit despite those limitations. This is a new age of YouTube, and your potential is going to be defined by your determination, not by your limitations. You have that creative potential inside of you, and AI is only going to help you bring that out.